Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the measures of dispersion. Now, what is dispersion? Dispersion refers to the idea that there is a second number which tells us how spread out all the measurements are from the central number. Let us see the various measures under dispersion. We will start with range. The range is the measure from the smallest observation to the largest one. This is the simplest measure of the statistical dispersion or the spread. Let us see what is quartile 1. The first quartile or Q1 is defined as the middle number between the smallest number and the median of the data set. Q1 is also called the lower quartile or the 25th percentile. That is, it splits off the lowest 25% of the data from the highest 75% of the data. Let us see what is quartile 2. The second quartile or Q2 is also called the median or the 50th percentile as it simply cuts the data set in half. Let us see what is quartile 3. The third quartile or Q3 is the middle value between the median and the highest value of the data set, also called the upper quartile or the 75th percentile. That is, it splits off the highest 25% of the data from the lowest 75% of the data. Let us now see the Excel functions which are used to calculate the range and the quartiles. First, we will calculate the maximum value from the sample observation. The Excel function used to do so is equal to the max function. Then we highlight all the sample observations and press enter. We will get the maximum value. We can easily see that 72 is the largest number of the lot. Similarly, we can get the minimum value by using equal to the min function. Then we highlight all the sample observations and press enter. We will get the minimum value, which is 7. Now we know that range is the difference between the largest observation and the smallest observation. In Excel, there is no specific function to calculate the range. Thus, we can calculate the range simply by the difference between the maximum and the minimum value. We can do so by equal to maximum minus minimum, which is 65. Now let us calculate quartile 1, which is equal to the quartile function. Then we highlight all the sample observations, comma 1, since we have to calculate quartile 1, and then press enter. We will get the quartile 1 value as 28. Similarly, in order to calculate quartile 2, equal to the quartile function, then we select all the sample observations, comma 2, and we will get the quartile 2, which is also known as the median. We can easily see that the median that we have calculated before and the quartile 2 value are same. Similarly, we can calculate quartile 3 as equal to the quartile function. Then we highlight all the sample observations, comma 3. In this way, we will get the quartile 3 value as 47.5. In the next video, we will cover other measures under dispersion. Thank you.